Attention truckers! Upgrade your driving experience with our nylon duck canvas fitted bucket seat cover. Designed specifically for truckers like you, this rugged and durable seat cover is the ultimate companion for those long hauls on the road. Made from premium quality nylon duck canvas, our seat cover offers unparalleled protection against wear and tear, spills, and stains. Its snug fit ensures a comfortable and secure ride, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, delivering goods and conquering the open highways. With its easy installation and hassle-free maintenance, our nylon duck canvas fitted bucket seat cover is the perfect investment to preserve the life of your truck seats and keep them looking brand new for years to come. So, why wait? Treat yourself and your truck to the comfort and durability it deserves. Grab yours today and enjoy the journey ahead in style and confidence.